Did you know that more than half of the presidents of the Philippines were lawyers before they ever stepped into Malacañang? From brilliant constitutional experts to legendary bar top-notchers, these men used the power of law to shape an entire nation. Meet the 9 lawyer presidents of the Philippines. Manuel Quezon placed 4th in the 1903 bar exams with a score of 87.83%. A graduate of the University of Santo Tomas, Quezon became one of the leading voices for Philippine independence under American rule. Jose P. Laurel ranked 2nd in the 1915 bar exams. A legal genius and constitutional expert, Laurel later earned a doctorate from Yale Law School and served as Associate Justice of the Supreme Court. Sergio Osmeña also ranked 2nd in the 1903 bar exams with a score of 95.66%. Before becoming president during World War II, he first served as provincial fiscal and legislator. Manuel Rojas didn't just pass the bar, he topped it, graduating as valedictorian of the very first UP College of Law class. Rojas earned the highest score in the 1913 bar exams with a score of 92%. Elpidio Quirino tied for 2nd place in the 1915 bar exams with score of 95.95%. From private law practice, he would eventually rise to become senator, vice president, and president of the Republic. Carlos P. Garcia placed 6th in the 1923 bar exams with score of 83%. Known for his intelligence and eloquence, Garcia later introduced the famous Filipino first policy. Diosdado Macapagal rose from poverty to become bar exam top-notcher in 1936 with a score of 89.85%. Known as the poor boy from Lubao, he became one of the most academically accomplished presidents in Philippine history. Ferdinand Marcos Sr. topped the 1939 bar exams with a score of 92.35%. While detained in jail, he reviewed for the bar and personally argued his own case before the Supreme Court, a story that became one of the most famous legends in Philippine legal history. Rodrigo Duterte passed the bar in 1972 with a score of 75%. Before becoming president, he spent years as a trial lawyer and state prosecutor in Davao City, from courtrooms to Congress, and ultimately to Malacañang Palace. These lawyer presidents proved that the law was more than a profession. It was a pathway to leadership, power, and nation building. Among these legal minds, who do you admire the most?